Good morning. Today we will start with chapter number 3, linear regression. First we will see what is the definition and the meaning of linear regression. A mathematical or functional relationship between two correlated variables which helps in estimating the value of dependent variable for some given value of independent variable is called linear regression. Now in this, the definition says that it is going to be a mathematical relationship between two variables. Normally we will take the variables as x and y, and both the variables will be correlated, and in that one variable will be dependent variable and another one will be independent variable. So when we connect both these variables with a mathematical equation which is considered as relationship, then it is said to be linear regression. So in the entire chapter, we are going to make a mathematical equation connecting the variables x and y with the constants, wherein y will be considered to be the dependent variable and x will be considered to be independent variable. Now the methods that we will be using in making the regression line, as it is linear regression, means we are going to make the equation of line in the entire chapter. The methods of fitting this regression line to the given observation. The first method is scatter diagram. Now scatter diagram consists of graph, and the second one is method of least squares. Method of least squares consists of formulas to be used to make the equation of line. Now the formula in the equation of the line is we call it as linear regression model. Y is equal to alpha plus beta x plus u. Now this is called to be the regression model, where you will find that y is considered to be the dependent variable, x will be considered to be the independent variable. Now whatever alpha is written, alpha is a constant whose value we have to calculate from the given data. Beta is also a constant which we have to calculate again from the given data. Now u, whatever is taken up, it is called to be the disturbance variable of the model. Now this disturbance variable is considered to be error calculation, and it is calculated as E is equal to y minus y estimate. The value of y will be given in the table. Y estimate we have to calculate, and its difference we consider it to be the error calculation. With the help of the symbol, we consider it to be E. Now we will see the list of the formulas that we are going to use to make the regression line, and the regression line will be y on x line. Now the formula will move in the sequence. First we need to calculate the value of b, which we call it as beta also. the formula used over here is summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by summation x minus x bar square. Now this formula can be used only if x bar and y bar are without decimals. So first of all, to decide the formula to be used, we need to calculate the value of x bar and y bar. And then we can decide which formula is suitable or appropriate. Now B is also called to be the regression coefficient. The second formula is n summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by n summation x square minus summation x whole square. This formula is used when the observations, the values of the observation are small, they are not large numbers. So after we calculate the value of B, then we need to calculate the next constant, which is A, or in the model we have taken alpha. So in the equation we will mark it as A. So A is another constant whose formula is y bar minus B x bar. So to calculate A, the value of B is necessary. Now if we consider both A and B, then A is called intercept of the regression line, whereas B is considered to be, is also called slope of the regression line. Now once we calculate the value of A and B, then the next part that we have to make is the equation of line, whose formula is y estimate is equal to A plus bx. So this final equation becomes the final answer of fitting the regression line. So here whenever the examples are to be calculated, first B will be calculated from the given data, from the given observation, then A is to be calculated, and then finally the regression line is to be fitted. Now we will take it up exercise 3.1. First example given is fit the regression line and estimate the demand when price is ₹20. That means we have to calculate y when x is given to be 20. But before that, we have to make the regression line. Two columns are given. First is price, which we have considered x. Second is demand, which we have considered as y, and it is given in 100 units. Now first of all, we will calculate x bar and y bar. For that, we need the total of both these columns. X total is 96, y total is 60. So x bar becomes summation xi upon n, 96 upon 6, because the number of observations are 6 here. It comes out to be 16. So it is without decimal. Then y bar, summation yi upon n, that is 60 divided by 6, 10. Again it is without decimal. So the most suitable formula is, for calculating B, summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by summation x minus x bar square. So first of all, we will have to calculate x minus x bar, y minus y bar. So it will be 12 minus 16 minus 4. 14 minus 16 minus 2, 15 minus 16 minus 1. Likewise, the remaining observations are calculated. Same way, y minus y bar, for that 18 minus 10 8, 12 minus 10 2, 10 minus 10 0, and all the other calculations are being done. As per the formula, we need the product of x minus x bar, y minus y bar. So these two columns are to be multiplied. So minus 4 into 8 minus 32, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 1 into 0 0, 0 into minus 2 0, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 5 into minus 5 minus 25. Adding this column, we get minus 67. Now the next column and the calculation needed is x minus x bar whole square. That means x minus x bar column is to be squared. So it is minus 4 square 16, minus 2 square is 4. So minus 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25, and this column is added to 15. Now keeping the values here, minus 67 divided by 50, we get minus 1.34. Now after calculating the value of b, the next that is to be calculated is a. So for that, we have to take the formula of a as y bar minus b x bar. This is a formula for calculating a. Y bar value is 10 minus x bar value is 16 into the value of b is minus 1.34. Minus minus will make it plus, and 16 into 1.34 will give 21.44. Added with 10 will become 31.44. So the value of a is 31.44. Now the formula for the regression line is y estimate is equal to a plus bx. So keeping the value of a as 31.44, b as minus 1.34, and x is as it is. So the regression line will become 31.44 minus 1.34x. Now it is said that when x is 20, what is the value of y? So in the regression line, keeping the value of x as 20, so 1.34 into 20 will give 26.8. So 31.44 minus 26.8, the y estimate is 4.6400 units. So this is how question number 1 is answered, and the examples will be calculated using method of least squares.